Shelley Behan, and welcome back to Miss DUI Arizona. Today we're answering questions related to driver's license penalties for those who are charged with driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol in Arizona. One of the common questions that we get is, what happens to my driver's license if I'm arrested for DUI? Well, there are 4 ways that the Department of Motor Vehicles, or the MVD, can suspend your driver's license in Arizona based on an arrest for driving under the influence. First, you have 15 days from the date you were given the suspension notice to request a hearing at the MVD, or your license will be automatically suspended. The notice of suspension was served by the officer who arrested you and is written on the top of the pink or yellow pieces of paper that he or she gave you that say ADOT in the upper left-hand corner. The second way your license can be suspended is by stipulation. Now, if you request a hearing to stop that 15-day suspension from automatically going into effect, but for some reason decide that you will agree to the suspension later on, you can revoke your request for hearing and the suspension will begin. The third way your license can be suspended is if you request a hearing, you go to the hearing, and you lose. The rules of these hearings favor the department heavily, and often the administrative law judge will allow testimony that normally would not be admissible in a criminal court. Now, if you lose the hearing and the suspension is affirmed, you have appellate rights, but typically, the 90-day suspension or the 1-year suspension will start within 30 calendar days from the date of the hearing. The fourth way your license can be suspended is if you request a hearing, you go to the hearing, and you win, but you end up being convicted of a DUI in the criminal court. The outcome of the MVD hearing has no impact on the outcome of the criminal case and vice versa, but if there's no suspension prior to the conviction, then the conviction in criminal court itself will trigger the suspension. How long the suspension lasts depends on other factors, which are addressed in a different video. Navigating the murky waters of the MVD is extremely frustrating, and having an attorney by your side will help. Contact the Behan Law Group at 520-220-5047 for any MVD and DUI related questions. You can also visit our website at www.missduiarizona.com. Call us at 520-220-5047 and let Miss DUI Arizona fight for you too.